How to turn off last active on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open Instagram and log in to your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on Settings. Then click on Privacy. From the Interactions section, click on Activity Status. Here you want to turn both the Show Activity Status and the Show When You're Active Together toggles off. And that's it. That's how to turn off last active on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.